staying in room 920 at the Holiday Inn in St. Catharines, Ontario. This is a 2-queen suite. Let's take a look inside. So when you come in, they have a same child from last night. They have a nice little sitting area here. Got a sink, a dishwasher.
Weird.
This is a stove. I think this is the full kitchen one, which we don't even think we asked for. We just asked for the 2-room suite that had like a living room, because this does have a microwave as well. Let's see. Oh, full pots, pans, cutlery. Wow. Let's see here. Dishwasher. Nice and clean. Let's see. Garbage cans and those things. We do have a table. I wonder what's up here. Oh, fully stocked with all the dishes you need. We do also have a full fridge here. Not stocked, but it'll come in handy for all the things we brought. They also come with your typical Keurig with some Timothy's coffee, which is the brand that they have here. Nice television. Oh, just some extra storage. You do have wine at $5 for some, looks like some water.
Ew.
Another $6 for some wine. More storage. Oh, this is extra blankets. And then you go in here, you have your, oh, you have an ironing board, iron, typical stuff. Okay. We have a full couch area.
With a father
with
sitting
a father
in it.
sitting with an extra chair.
And a notepad.
So here's the bathroom. Oh. We just get in the bathtub. We do have a view of, I think this is 12 Mile Creek behind us.
Yeah.
So it's pretty nice out. It's a nice day.
I like
so you get
that.
a nice view.
I like it.
Stand toilet.
And I like that.
Bathtub looks very clean.
There's a little hotel showing.
Oh, look here.
I think I'll open this.
So what do we have? We have some conditioner, shampoo, mint mouthwash. Oh, so these are Bath and Body Works things. That's different. Shower cap, a shoe sponge, and then your face and hand soap.
A shower.
Full size hair dryer. This bathroom is sort of a shower. Oh, I guess it opens this way. Pretty good. Very nice size. Got a full mirror as well. I believe it might light up. Oh, there we go. It does.
Yeah.
So the light up at nighttime would be really nice to see. If you want to get your makeup or anything. Okay, and then we'll go look in the bathroom. Now this room does have a separate door. So if you want to close it off, and you want some privacy from the living room area, that's fine. We have a little stool area, another stool, nice big window where you can see.
It probably fell.
There's a couple businesses and stuff behind you, but
A little
the
place
view
to sit.
over St. Catharines is nice.
A little place to sit.
So we have 2-queen bed suite.
A place to sit.
Huh?
Actually, 2 places.
Also comes with a desk, your own in-room heater, air conditioning area, some more nice windows. You get a lot of natural light. Like we don't have any lights on in here, and it's really thing. You get another TV. Also with
Beautiful light. That is very bright.
some more drawers, your desk. I think that's pretty much the gist of it.
Wait, Mom.
A little bit later, we will probably show you a little bit more of the hotel and see what you think. Open the door. You can come here. This is a VIP lane. the bowling alley. Prices are pretty reasonable. This is the pool. It's supposed to be a saltwater pool. Hot tub over there. Then you do have a fitness center.